The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in northern Kentucky, southwestern Shelby County in northern Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles east of Jeffersontown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Simpsonville by 5:57 p.m. This includes Interstate 64 between mile markers 24 and 41. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or low spot and cover your head with your hands.